Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Foreign and European Affairs of the Republic of Slovenia, Her Excellency Tanja Fajon, will be in the Philippines from 10 to 12 March 2025 for an official visit. Foreign Minister Fajon's visit marks the first time that a Slovenian Foreign Minister is visiting the Philippines. On 11 March 2025, the Slovenian Foreign Minister will meet with Secretary for Foreign Affairs Enrique A. Manalo to further enhance bilateral cooperation in priority sectors such as trade and investment, science and technology, nuclear energy, maritime cooperation, sports, and labor. Foreign Minister Fajon and the Secretary will exchange views on regional and global issues, highlighting the Philippines and Slovenia's shared commitment to the rule of law and rules-based international order. The Foreign Minister will also formally open the Embassy of the Republic of Slovenia in Manila, the first and currently the only Slovenian mission in Southeast Asia. Foreign Minister Fajon, together with the delegation from the Slovenian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, will meet with the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry for the Slovenia-Philippine Business Forum to promote and encourage collaborative activities among Philippine and Slovenian businesses. Foreign Minister Fajon will also deliver a lecture at the Far Eastern University.